Yeah, she's giving, okay? Hello everyone and welcome back to Kayla's Corner. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and installing this V-part wig from iseeHair. Whole lot of going on, 28 inches. And as you can see, she's giving. Wait a minute. Yeah, she's giving, okay? So if you're interested to see how you too can give, you guys know that all you have to do is just stay tuned. All right, you guys, so this is the packaging. First, they give you a little pamphlet with just some information about the company, different promos that they have going on, and all of their social media information. This is the wig, 28 inches Brazilian body wave. Don't know what I was thinking getting 28 inches, but we love it. We love to see it. Next, they give you a little reversible bonnet. It's pink on the inside, black on the outside. And it has like an adjustable strap, which I really love. They give you a little scrunchie. Also got some lashes, 2 pairs of 3D lashes. A little edge band. I guess it's for like when you're laying your edges on wigs. An edge comb. Some butterfly clips. Cute little duster bag so that you can store the hair. And last but not least, a wig cap. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with this V part. This video shouldn't be too long, you know. If you're not new here, you know that my hair is already, most of the time, already prepped and ready to go when I'm doing wigs, but I don't want a middle part, so I am switching this over to a side part. So I have recently been using the Taraji little hairline, and it smells so good, like really good. And I need to hurry up because I need to leave here at like 11:30 for class. So here I'm parting my hair. When doing side parts, I really like the C-curve part, but I realized that I should have did the whole thing in a V. The outline should have been a V instead of a square that I did, because it was a V part and it kind of made the part a little bulky. So just a pro tip, when doing this, make sure that your overall outline of your part is a V. I need to see what kind of combs are on this thing, because them combs from that iPart wig hurt. Ugh, these are clips. Oh, Jesus Christ. These clips hurt, y'all. I don't like clips. I'd rather a comb. We're gonna make it work. Just going to finish braiding out my hair. Some people do braids to the scalp. I just do plaits because they're easier. Do what works best for you. I think the wig will install great either way. I really don't see how people braid with nails. So we're gonna twist this. Twisty. Bam.
You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you.
So when you're doing plaits, you could put them all in a bun, but I choose to just braid mine all together in one braid so that it's flat. And then I kind of just pull this braid upward and pin it to my head flat with a bobby pin. Okay, so this is my result. So this needs to be flat ironed. Oh wait, I guess I can put the wig on first. This is the construction of the wig. It has 4 clips in the front and then 5 other combs throughout it. The wig was spacious, so if you have a big head, I think it will work out for you. I was going to originally do the wig without a cap, but the combs and stuff started tugging at my hair, and I was like, no. So I decided to put a wig cap on and secure those with bobby pins. Next, I'm going to go ahead and secure the wig. So you just put those clips in and then fasten them to secure them. Do that on both sides. The front one wasn't really snapping to fasten, so I did have to kind of finesse that and just work with it until it snapped. Next, I'm going to secure the back of the wig. I always do the front first so that the back isn't pulling and tugging. So, bada bing, bada bing. That's a lot of hair. I don't know where I thought I was going. 28 inches of hair. Please talk to me nice. And I honestly should have left maybe like this part of my hair out too, but we'll figure it out. Applying some heat protectant to my hair so that I can flat iron it. As you'll see later, it wasn't necessary to leave any side hair out. I think the look came together just fine without it. Okay, I'm gonna be back when I figure this part out. So this is the part. My hair blends like perfectly with this. So I wanted the curls or waves to be a little more defined and put together, plus the hair was kind of frizzy at the end, so I decided to go in and wand curl it. This step is definitely optional, but this is what I wanted, so that's why I'm wand curling it. So this is what the curls look like on this side. It curled really good. This one kind of falling already, but that's what I expect to happen anyway with 28 inches. Baby, wait till I do my makeup. Y'all lucky I got class, because I'll slay y'all right here, right now, today. But I don't got time to do all the extra stuff because I need to leave in like 25 minutes. So I'm gonna come back with a finished look. But look, quit playing with her. Quit playing with her. Bow, bow. So cute. Fire. It looks so good. Okay, but I have to get ready for class, so I'm gonna see y'all in a bit. All right, y'all, I'm back, and it's a whole different day because I told y'all I had class, and it wasn't enough time for me to kind of, you know, do the final look and all the other stuff. So I pin curled my hair this morning, took a shower, and now I'm taking it out. So yeah, this is just gonna be the final look.
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that heat of love. I wanna ride the all night. Working in the rhythm. I wanna ride.
Guys, so this is the final look. Love, 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 love the way it turned out. All the details to the hair will be linked down below because if I'm being honest, I really don't remember everything. Like, I bought this hair with my own money because I really wanted a V-part wig. So yeah, I do know that it's 28 inches. It is Brazilian body wave. And yeah, I'm not sure the density, but as you can see, it came with a whole bunch of goodies. I really like when they include a bag for the hair instead of the box because the box can get a little bulky when you're trying to store wigs and things like that. But yeah, I really, really do love the way that this hair turned out. And if I'm being honest, which I am, this hair was really cheap. Like, I was kind of skeptical because I'm like, I don't know what that means. Like, is it going to be good quality? The wig that I made was with iseeHair, and I love that hair to this day. So I figured that it would be good quality. Don't know why it was, you know, cheaper than than everything else that I was able to find. But I am satisfied with the hair thus far. I'm really excited to see what the hair looks like when it naturally falls. Like I said, it is kind of like frizzy. So I'm hoping that that will die down a little bit. But nevertheless, it blends really well. Or my natural hair blends really well with it. And I like it. I love it so much. Like, I didn't have to leave much hair out, but I will probably end up perming my leave out or relaxing my leave out because in St. Louis it's too humid, okay? My leave out, even though it's minimal, is literally, there's this little part that I had to leave out. It will frizz up and I will be outside looking crazy, okay? So, I really bought this wig to wear for my trip in July. So I'm excited that I went ahead and bought it and it looks really good. I want to get a crimper so that I can crimp it and see what that looks like. I'm just so excited to try different styles with this hair because it's just beautiful. Like, beautiful hair. I don't know what else y'all want to know, but it's giving. It's giving what it needs to give. Okay, and period. So yeah, speaking of giving what it needs to give, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. All the details will be down below in the description box, so make sure you check out those details. I will also have some wigs for sale, so I'm giving one wig away and then the others will be for sale because a lot of these wigs, well, the ones that are sponsored, I really don't wear after the video, so they're kind of just sitting. And we reached 1.5K, so I'm very excited about that. To everybody who subscribed thus far, your support means the world to me because honestly, without y'all, there would be no Kayla's Corner. Kayla's Corner would not still be going, okay? So I really do appreciate everybody that has subscribed thus far. If you're interested in entering the giveaway, make sure you look in the description box and follow all of the rules, okay, in order to be entered. The winner will probably be announced on here on YouTube and or on Instagram. So for real, make sure you follow all of the details below so that you can enter the giveaway. As always, I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see and talk to you on the next one. Bye.